During these crazy times, it's super important to support your local businesses. So Hudson and I are about to go pick up like our 10th trip to Korean barbecue. All right, let's head out. Alright, so we just got back with some awesome Korean barbecue, and if you guys are ever in the Woodstock area, I highly recommend checking out KPOP. It is an amazing Korean restaurant, and Heather and I go all the time, and even Hudson enjoys it when we allow him to have some. But yeah, check them out and really support the business because they're great people and they're super awesome. Alright, let's head back home. Well, Hudson and I have made it back from getting Korean barbecue. It wasn't much of an adventure, but the food's gonna be delicious, and we really appreciate you guys joining us for it. Someone's really hungry. All right, see you later. Bye.